Hi Andrea, I hope you're well. I've still got some anxieties about your design. Let's talk about the 35mm wide one first, which I believe is Anna's wardrobe. Now the 35mm wide basket is designed to sit in this frame, and it is this frame that is 350mm wide at that point. So you'll need a bit of wriggle room either side of that. My question is that what you've got in your head? Is that really what you want to put inside your wardrobe? The 35mm wide, a centimetre wide, has to fit in this frame. It's not designed for separate runners. So whatever height you want to end up at, and there is a way of doing that with this product. We can do this as a 10 runner, 14 runner, there's all sorts of variables we can add in there, but it's going to look like this. It's going to be in a frame. The baskets run in a steel U shape like that. I mean, it's all painted and coated and what have you. I can't see this sitting inside one of your beautiful wardrobes, but hey, I'm not the client. So let's go on to Simon. I think this perhaps is the system you had in mind. These are centre to centre. These are 45 centimetres wide. Now if we measure from the outside edge there to the outside edge there, we get 475, and I think you were talking about a maximum of 468. So you've got 7 or 8 millimeters to find somewhere in your design there. And again, this is a reasonably accurate representation of what this will look like. Okay, the mesh it's an aluminium mesh. I haven't been able to show that on my CAD system, so it's a nicer looking mesh than I've shown here. But these are quite utilitarian white powder coated lumps of steel. Your design is beautiful. It's not white powder coated steel. So we've got a dimensional issue there, and I just want to make sure that your aesthetic expectations are aligned to what you're going to get. Okay, speak soon. Bye bye.